Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your computer holds your most important files and system settings, so protecting it is crucial. Creating a system backup ensures that if your PC crashes, gets a virus, or faces corruption, you can restore it quickly and safely. In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete Windows system backup step by step, so your system is always protected. Step 1. Initiate System Backup. Run Aomi Backup click Backup in the left tab, and then select System Backup. It will automatically detect and list system partitions as a source. Step 2. Select Destination. By default, the largest drive on the PC will be selected as the destination. Please click the destination box to select a destination path. Supported destinations include local drives, internal/external, network-attached storage, NAS, and network share. Step 3. Start Backup. Click Start Backup to run the system backup task. Step 4. Monitor/complete backup. 1. When the backup is running, you can view the backup process. Tips: in the lower left corner, you can set the computer to shut down, restart, hibernate, or sleep automatically after the backup is completed. 2. After it is finished, you can check the backup process details. And then click the OK button. 3. Once the backup is finished, the backup task will be listed on the home screen for future management or run. 4. After the backup is completed, it generates an XXX.ADI backup image file in the destination. After completing the system backup, you can easily restore your system in the event of a system crash. And that's it. Now your Windows system is fully backed up and safe from unexpected crashes or errors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching here, see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.